Tracing and tracking the virus are critical to getting North Carolina back on track. You heard that there from Governor Roy Cooper. But this cannot be done without more people actually working on getting that done. Our Genevieve Curtis found some of the emerging heroes on that front tonight are school nurses. Genevieve?
Yeah, they certainly are, Scott. And as you just heard the governor say, they really need people who can do the hands-on work of testing and tracing so that we can reopen. And with school out for the foreseeable future, school nurses are really just the people for the job.
This is a way of kind of giving back to the community when the kids are not in the school setting.
Stepping out of schools into the fight against COVID-19, dozens of school nurses now have a new charge.
It truly has been rewarding because just the opportunity to be a part of something.
Wendy Nielsen is one of Union County's 45 school nurses who helped set up the county's coronavirus hotline. They're answering calls every day.
We have had lots of calls regarding testing.
A big piece of fighting this invisible virus is the work that goes on behind the scenes in local health departments. Professionals testing, contact tracing, and analyzing trends. In Gadsden County, education nurses are also answering hotline phones. The county tells me this has directly freed up communicable disease nurses to focus on contact tracing, figure out who has it, where they got it, and who else they might have exposed.
With the possibility of the more contact tracing that could be in the future, I would see that as a possible role that we could be headed towards.
Wendy thinks that might be another way school nurses in Union County could help. They've also been fitted for N95 masks and are ready if they get called to the front lines.
Personally, that's what we go into this field for. We're here to help people.
And we do so much appreciate what they do. Genevieve, do we know if any CMS nurses are doing this?
Yes, Scott, so CMS school nurses are actually already employees of the health department, and now the health department is working on training those nurses on how to do contact tracing. Mecklenburg County right now only has 7 people who can do that contact tracing, so those school nurses are really going to be a big help.
Yeah, big help, and we know that healthcare workers in health departments really could use all hands on deck right now, all the help they can get.
Yeah, absolutely. Actually, even in Gadsden County, they told me they have workers who normally would work in Parks and Rec and even in the libraries who are now answering the phone calls for the stay-at-home order hotline, and that has really allowed their health department employees to focus on tracing and testing. Scott?
Yeah, laser focus is what we need right now. Thanks, Genevieve.